everyone, I'm Ina. Today let's hear a simple no-wound box cooler box bag. What is the secret behind it and how does it slide, durable and insulated? Let's start at the source and break it down step by step. It all began with a pattern. This requires one of our core pieces of equipment, the high-speed Gravure printing machine. Precision cylinder apply ink onto film, delivering shape pattern, vibrant colors, and scratch-proof results, boosting brand image. Next, come to core process. Laminating the printed film with woven fabric while forming insulated layer. With a composite material with a pattern and function, the final step is efficiency molding. The leader box bag making machine easily handles this multi-layer material. Precise heat sealing control keeps layer bonded, seals tight, and bags durable. From press printing through coding and lamination to box shipping, our machine is essential. The fusion of technology and craftsmanship delivers eco-friendly, high-quality, no-woven cooler box bag.